Q4 ക്വിസിലേക്ക് എല്ലാ കൂട്ടുകാർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. എഡ്യൂക്കേഷണൽ സൈക്കോളജിയിൽ നിന്നും 10 ഒബ്ജക്റ്റീവ് ടൈപ്പ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാം. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 1. For effective teaching, the class should be options of limited size, B. well furnished, C. clean and tidy, D. homogeneous in potentials. Answer of limited size. Number 2. The most important requirement for applying the spirit of educational technology is option A. use of computers for instruction, B. following multimedia approach for instruction, C. reducing the role of teachers, D. maintaining the systems approach. Answer: maintaining the systems approach. Question number 3. The style of administration and management that reflects most the message of technology is option A. democratic, B. participatory, C. laissez-faire, D. objective based. Answer: objective based. Question number 4. The ultimate purpose of comparative education is option A. closely studying the patterns of education in other countries, B. finding similarities and differences between systems of education in different areas, C. adapting feasible educational programs by scientifically studying those in other regions, D. studying the educational problems of a region in comparison with those of other regions. Answer: adapting feasible educational programs by scientifically studying those in other regions. Question number 5. Observing the behaviors, customs and ways of living of a group by becoming an active member of the group is known as option A. direct observation, B. participant observation, C. non-participant observation, D. natural observation. Correct answer: participant observation. Sixth question. For minimizing classroom absenteeism, the most effective method is option A. to punish the absentees, B. to give freedom to students to attend or not to attend the class, C. to increase the effectiveness of the class, D. to tell students that cutting classes is a bad behavior. Answer: to increase the effectiveness of the class. Question number 7. You are assigned the additional responsibility to manage the school library. What will be your reaction? Option A. consider it as an unwarranted burden, B. take it up as part of duty, C. tell that it is not the duty of a teacher, D. take it up provided a younger teaching load is considerably reduced. So, tell that it is not the duty of a teacher. Next question. The supervising personnel have to give more stress on option A. solving disciplinary problems, B. controlling the school activities, C. clarification of rules and regulations, D. monitoring the activities of a teacher. Answer: clarification of rules and regulations. Question number 9. The best alternative to bring the children belonging to the economically backward classes to the school is options A. to provide books, uniform and midday meal free of cost, B. to appoint teachers belonging to the backward classes, C. to teach them even after the expiry of the stipulated class hours, D. to allow most of the time to extracurricular activities. Answer: to teach them even after the expiry of the stipulated class hours. Last question. Analysis of the sociological process involved in the educational institutions and the study within the institution of education is known as: option A, social foundations of education; B, sociology of education; C, educational sociology; D, social science of education. Answer: sociology of education. Thank you for watching.